Hi crafters, this is Crafty Sabby, and today I'm here to finally start my design team project for Medieval Mirage. So as many of you know, I was asked by Jarf from Medieval Mirage to be on her design team, and I was so honored and blessed to have been asked. And so now I'm kind of excited to finally start creating a project with this paper pad, this particular one that I chose, or sorry, kit, I should say. So the first one that I chose is called Whimsical Wonderland. And it has 3 volumes to it. Jarf was so kind and sent me all of the volumes. And I've, printed it already a couple times, and I've cut through it. I've made a few other little projects with it already, which I haven't yet to video, but I will. And so some maybe craft with me videos might be coming up. But I just wanted to show you what I started doing for the actual journal that I want to create. I actually wanted to show you the pages that I put together and how I put together some of the signatures. So I haven't done any decorating or anything. I've only just chosen my papers and sort of put them together. So I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I just wanted to flip through quickly and show you some of the beautiful images that you will get with this particular paper kit. Again, it's called Whimsical Wonderland, and there are several volumes, actually 3. So like you saw there, you got envelopes and pages that you can fold in half to make pages from. Just really beautiful pages. Graphics are beautiful, and there's everything here that you could possibly. I love the blue. There's a lot of blue in the journal that I'm going to be making. I love the envelopes that you get in the kit, and also she provides a lot of these are only just some that I had reprinted, and these are really pretty background papers, and I showed you guys this in my last video, but I've already pre-made tags and elements that you can cut out, and I've already backed a lot of them on my own paper. So there's some of the little envelopes. Like, everything is just so beautiful and done for you. These are like tucks that you put down on your paper, and you can put like pockets. You can put stuff inside. And so that was volume 1 that I cut out. There's some stuff for volume 2. I've already used a lot of things out of there. And volume 3 also has a lot of beautiful elements, little tags and cards and so many things. So I will be incorporating all of these elements into my journal once I get it kind of put together. So I just wanted to show you before I moved on anymore that I have created 3 signatures. I'm sure these will grow. Well, I know they will, in fact, once I start putting more of those elements inside. But for now, I just take you through real quick. And these aren't decorated or anything. These signatures are just loose. All I did was pick my papers, and I'll just show you quickly what I've put in. Okay, so there's a printed page from the kit. I put some craft, well, what do you call that, packing paper in there. There's a clear sheet, and there's another beautiful image. I backed that on some of my own coffee stain paper. So I've also incorporated envelopes into this one so that I can make tucks and things. I can imagine it all nicely covered in the paper that Jarf gave me, and I made some little pockets. I just wanted to remind myself that I wanted to put that there. So that's also another envelope. Oh, and once I put that on there, this will flip up. And so this is kind of how I prepare. I just kind of get everything ready and I move forward from there. So this one has a flap that I'm able to attach something to. So we'll have a little flap on that page. Like, look at these images. They're stunning. They're gorgeous. They're realistic in a way. You know that the characters all come from like a fairy tale or, you know, something like that. So Alice in Wonderland, I'm guessing that this kind of follows that same feeling. But the images are so realistic and so like modernized. It's incredible to me. So very excited to use this paper. Just beautiful. Jarf has done an amazing job. She's a very talented lady, and I'm so happy to be part of the team. So this is just some regular, again, some packing paper, like the kind that they wrap your breakables in when you leave the store, that kind of thing. There's another envelope. It's probably going to be a top tuck there. This is another envelope. There's a window on the front, so that would be pretty. Beautiful paper there. Again, love the blue. There's another little plastic element. This is a coffee stained envelope. It's not open anywhere yet, so I'm going to figure out how I want to open that one. With a window, some more beautiful paper that I covered inside. And then as we keep going, beautiful, right? As we keep going, that envelope that I just showed you, I attached another little envelope to, like a little flip. There's a plastic bit. This has a little flap on it, so we'll attach another page to that. So the inside of that paper has some of my, what did I make this blue page? Do you guys remember? The blue came from, I don't remember. I made beets, maybe, and it turned blue for some reason. I'm not too sure. Anyway, it went nicely with the whole blue idea here. So envelope, paper. That's the back of that decorative paper from the kit. These papers here that look old and vintage are actually the ones that I got from Amazon in a pack, and they have all different sort of forms of coffee stained paper. I have a video on that somewhere. So there's beautiful. So there's the plastic page again. I don't know what I'll do with those or if I'll leave them, but I thought it was something different, something neat. So we'll see what happens with that. And that's the back. So that will be signature 1. This is signature 2. Love that fence gate. I'll just go really fast. This is going to have a flip here. Plastic flip envelope. Can't forget the men of the fairy tale. They're in there too. There's a little fairy there. I got some paper bags. Some more pages that will become flips. Some more plastic. Some more of that packing paper. Love it. Love it, love it. There's another plastic envelope that I made. I will attach it to there at some point. And I think these are open on the end as well. That's the phone bill. That's the back of that. So it's basically the same, but I used different pages from the kit, of course, because there's so many. You don't have to use the same ones. So pretty. So that's the second one, and like I said, I think I'm going to have 3. I think, oh, I love these colors too. Kind of like got a turquoise feel to these ones. There'll be a flip there. Sorry. Tea, packing paper, some plastic. There's an envelope. Again, I'll attach a plastic. So another flip. Beautiful. Green. What was this? Spinach dyed, I think. I'm asking you, what was this? I don't remember. I think it was spinach. So another envelope that's open on this side. Packing paper, some more bills in the plastic. And look at this page. I love it. I think the colors are just so vibrant and beautiful. A flip page will become a flip page. Gorgeous. So beautiful. Some bills and another plastic. This will be a flip. I love the cards. And there. Oh, that's it. So, yeah. So I just wanted to show you the plan. And I didn't want to start skipping too far ahead. So I'm going to make sure that I have a cover that, so like a cover that I have that will fit this. I may have to cut this one down a little bit, but we may use something like that. I'll see maybe if I have a book, an actual book. I don't know. So maybe that'll be the next thing that we work on is, you know, trying to find a cover for it. And like I said, I don't know what kind of time that I have to sort of, you know, go day by day or you know, to make videos with this. But maybe, you know, sometimes we'll work on it together, and then other times I'll just do a few things like off camera and then show you after. But so, you know, I just kind of want to make this a process that we can maybe do together. And yeah, so let's see what happens. But we're starting, and I'm excited about that. So I just wanted to share before we get going. And thanks again, Jarf, for sending me these beautiful papers and for letting me be on the design team. I'm excited to get started, and hopefully I do you proud. So that's it, you guys. I hope you're all doing well, taking care and staying safe. And we'll be back soon to work on this a little bit more. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.